guess we're gonna do another one just to show you guys.
Up super early today. We're actually going to go pick up a trailer that Munchie bought for me. So they drive all the way to Arizona and go get a trailer that's going to help us with the move, but it's also going to be like those trailers probably going to be mostly like the using for like going to events, because it's a pretty big trailer. So because like we already freshened up the 703, like we did a whole new front end on it, so it should be good to go. It's a big trailer. Wait till you see it. It's kind of big. Just got, is it recording? Yeah, okay, it's recording. So just got to Arizona. Still fucking dead from the trip. I woke up too early, and I'm here with my boy.
This is awkward.
You have to get in here. Here with my son, because he's the one that helped me find this trailer. This big fucking trailer.
Should I take my hat off? Is that better?
It don't matter. So, yeah, so this is a new trailer we have. I'm gonna use it for moving the shop. Maybe keep it.
I want you to paint me like one of your French girls.
So we're gonna put that onto Old Faithful 7.3, and it should do fine. And this guy's a professional trucker.
Yes, sir.
He knows all about the lot lizard, so he's telling me that you have to lube your ball.
Always lube your balls.
What flavor is that thing?
I don't know. Do you want to taste it?
What? That's not even close. Alright, so this thing is a 48-foot enclosed trailer. Reason why I went with a big ass trailer is because me and Mike are planning going to a lot of events, and we've been looking at different trailers, but this thing just popped up like out of nowhere. So I'm probably just gonna use it for now and figure it out, because I really don't like enclosed trailers. But you can't see your cars, you can't flex them, but super big trailer. See how I'm gonna make it back home with this big thing. I don't know where the fuck I'm gonna park it at. I just gotta make it back to California without getting pulled over and figure that out.
Like a glove.
The New America, huh? Yeah, what if he wipe his balls with that thing one day?
Oh, and my sunglasses? Oh, yeah. Yo, what the f?
This is way better though. Look at this. Well, put it on right. I
Did
wanna
I
see
do
it.
right?
Bruh.
Hey,
Hey! Hey, look at me. Because you bought me a trailer, I bought you a gift.
Should we say grace first?
Yeah, Mochi.
Grace.
Mochi. Alright, so this thing's actually going pretty smooth. It's not hesitating at all, so I'm pretty confident that if we load it up, it won't have an issue pulling it. The only thing I might have to put airbags on it because of the weight, but let's see what it does on the highway. Right now we're just in the street cruising and we're not really like going fast, but hopefully we don't put this thing so you don't see me in the news, like this thing in the side of the road, like upside down. Because that would be embarrassing for Mochi, not for me. I was asleep after the trip yesterday. Made it back safe. The truck pulls amazing. Like, I mean, everyone knows 7.3s are beasts. Anyways, tours back into the shop, so we can start loading it. And this thing literally takes up most of the shop. You can see almost to the front of the shop, all the way back. So
pretty big trailer. I didn't really get to like show you guys the trailer yesterday because I was more in a hurry to like basically get in, get out, and come back. But it does have, you see, it has like a little hit right there. Like everything's, it basically needs to get fixed up. It needs like someone go through it, clean it up. I'm most likely gonna get it painted black, because the white basically stains easy. And get like this little dent and shit that fix. Get it all looking nice. So when we roll up to the events, the trailer is decent pretty much. But yeah, so let me show you guys how the trailer actually looks inside, because pretty big. You can actually put 2 cars that still has space for like toolboxes or whatever you want to put in there. And yeah, that's crazy. I can't believe I made it here with this thing. It was definitely a mission. So see, that needs to get fixed right there. That little thing needs to get fixed. See. So you can tell definitely whoever owned this thing had an RX-7 because it's leaking all everywhere. It did get little patches here and there that you can like probably see like in the roof, the walls, like someone tried to put it together themselves. But overall, for the price of it, it's not really like a bad trailer. So this, I'm probably gonna redo the floors, coat them, redo the walls, paint them, and basically just like make the trailer cool as hell without spending too much money in it. Right now we're $5,000 into the trailer, so putting like a little more money into it won't hurt, because I mean the value of the trailer is still like over 10 grand. Now I'm waiting for pallet jack, pallets, start loading everything to the trailer, and just finish the work I have here so I can get out of here. The plan I have right now is that I basically have to start packing this weekend. My brother and my dad show up next week. I think they're leaving Monday, so they should be here sometime next week, and we have to start packing the whole shop into this trailer and get these 2 cars done and those 2 cars done and go to the dyno and get out of here, because Christmas is coming up, so I have to be in Virginia for Christmas, be with the family of course. I have to be out of here by by the 30th, and the 30th is when my baby's gonna be born, so I need to get out of here. So I'm gonna start hustling. So if we don't like post too many videos, because I'm just like all over the place trying to finish everything, so don't get too mad at us, because big things are coming once we get to Virginia. But for right now, we have to basically just focus on getting everything done here and getting out of California.